He will. He's a crazy buck. He'll go right in the middle of a tree and then just hold on. Trees are... He ain't scared of those trees. Got my Tic Tacs. I'm not going down the river with you. I can't be having bad breath. Really, I'm worried about more cottonmouth. I'm going to use this skirt. Outlet. I got it. I wonder what's going on with it because it tells me on one hand, you know, about, well, you know, this.
Dreams you paid your dues in Canada and left me to come through. I headed for the right way. I knew exactly what to do. I dreamed we paid cards in the dark and you lost and you lied. It wasn't very hard to do, but it hurt me deep down inside. These dreams of you, so real and so true. These dreams of you, so real and so true. My back was up against the wall, and you slowly just walked away. You never really heard my call when I cried out that way. With my face against the sun, you pointed out for me to go. And then you said I was the one who had to reap what you did sow. Ooh, these dreams of you, so real and so true. These dreams of you, so real and so true. Well, hush up, don't ever think about it. Close your eyes, don't ever say a word. Go to sleep, you are an angel sent down from above. Ray Charles was shot down. He got up to do his best. A crowd of people gathered round to the question answered yes. you slapped me on the face, and I turned around the other cheek. You couldn't really stand the pace, and I would never be so weak. Ooh, these dreams of you, so real and so true. These dreams of you, so real and so true. Well, hush, hush, don't ever think about it. Close your eyes, don't ever say a word. Close your eyes, you are an angel sent down from above. Hush, hush, don't ever think about it. Go to sleep, don't ever say a word. Close your eyes, you are an angel sent down from above.
Say something funny.
As is, as was.
Say something funny.
Hey, I'm calling the police. Damn kid. Feel the rope swing. Every time I think I pump my boat, the CFF is going up on this river.
Is it time to say something funny?
I figure the odds be 50-50. I might just have something to say.
Something funny going on back there?
There's not much funny stuff going on. I gotta get on the river for that to come out.